He didn't get fired. He just stopped existing at work. Mark Benson, 45, worked at a cargo logistics company in Seattle. For 18 years, he handled delayed freight, fixed missed deliveries, and helped drivers avoid costly penalties. He wasn't famous, but when things went wrong, people called Mark. Tuesday, 9:12 a.m. His phone buzzed. The message was short, cold, and final. We've automated your route. Today is your last shift. No meeting, no handshake, no thank you. Just a system update, replacing him in seconds. Thousands of people lose jobs like this every year. Quietly, without warning. Mark never thought he'd be one of them. And just like that, everything changed. That evening, he sat in his car outside his home, not ready to walk in. Emma opened the door and smiled. "Why are you early?" He tried to speak, but all he could whisper was, "It's over." Days turned heavy. Applications, rejections, silence. "You're overqualified. We're going with younger candidates." Bills didn't stop. Rent came. Electricity came. Emma started saying, "I already ate." But Mark saw the untouched plate, and it broke him. Nights out became longer. Sleep just wouldn't come anymore. One night, 2 a.m., everything changed. He sat in the kitchen, staring at an old notebook filled with years of experience. Things no manual ever taught: real tricks, real knowledge. He paused and asked himself one question. What if someone out there still needs this? He didn't need a new job. He needed a new way to use what he already knew. The next morning, with no plan and no setup, he picked up his phone and recorded a simple video. Here's how to save 15 minutes on every cargo load. First day, 12 views. Second day, 30. Then one comment changed everything. "Tried this today. It worked." For the first time in weeks, Mark felt seen again. He kept going. One video a day. No perfection. Just real help. Emma stood beside him, holding the phone, supporting quietly. One video crossed 50,000 views. Then came a message. "Can you train our workers?" They paid him $150. But it wasn't about money. It was proof. He wasn't useless. He wasn't finished. He was just undiscovered. 3 months later, he built a small income. Not millions, but enough to breathe again. If you've ever felt stuck, remember this. Your next step might be closer than you think.